Okay, this is the graph between temperature and time. Okay, annealing is like this. Okay, so this is gonna be room temperature, which is 26-27. Okay, this is gonna be your annealing temperature. How much the annealing temperature is depends on you. You will read some paper. Okay, in my case I will use 200 degrees Celsius. 300, sorry. In my case, I will use 300 degrees Celsius in vacuum. Okay? So, this is when the heating process happen. And this is when the holding process happen. And this is when the cooling process happen. Heating, holding, cooling. Okay, and this is time. Okay, for me, I want to do annealing for 30 minutes. Okay, yeah. And I want to keep the heating rate around 2 degrees Celsius per minute. Okay, so suppose this is the room temperature, okay, to 300 degrees Celsius. If I want to maintain the heating rate 2 degrees Celsius, so how long?
450.
How long?
150.
Okay, 150 minutes. So later we will set 150 minutes for the heating rate and 30 minutes for the holding. And for cooling, usually we don't need to set anything. Usually after 30 minutes, we just set the program to off. So this is gonna be long time. So you don't need to consider about this. This is cooling is naturally. Okay, we will set automatically. Understand? Until here, do you have any question about annealing process? No? Okay. So we want to setting this thing into the machine. In this machine, the heating zone is divided by 3 zones. 1, 2, and 3. In this case, we want to set everything in the same setting. Okay, first we set the zone 1. How to set? Okay, before that I will explain. 26, 25 is the actual temperature inside. Under 1, the small one, the yellow one, is the set temperature. Okay?
红色是现在的温度，黄色是你要设定的。
对。How to set? First, you hold this button, set, see.
按住 set 这个，
Yeah. Set.
嗯
Okay?
Okay.
You want to hold this for a long time, like 3 seconds. Okay.
哦，变成这样还是 set？ 哦
Yeah.
好。
We will hold for 3 seconds, then it will change. Okay? And then press again. I don't know how to read this, like note, okay? But we want to ignore that. Press one more time. PRG, program.
那到
Okay?
PRG，
Program.
长按之后再按一下。
We press the up button to 1. Okay? And then we press set again. Okay. They will change to this one. We want to ignore this one. Okay. We want to concern about this one.
哦，
This is the annealing temperature. Because our temperature is 300, so we don't need to change. But if you suppose you want to annealing at 400, then change it.
好 ，OK。
Okay? Suppose you want 250, 100, something, just change it, okay? In this case, I will use 300, okay? Then press again. Okay. And this is the kiss time.
哦，
Okay.
就是这个再按一次的时候，就是这个
It's
这个
this time.
时间
Hitting rate.
哦
How
OK
many
总共要
time
要多少
you want
嗯
to reach from room temperature 300? In this case, I set 2 hours and 30 minutes. This is hours. This is minute.
2.3是哦，两
Okay. So I want to stay in 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay. If you calculate, then you will know how much the heating rate.
OK
Then press again. This is the holding temperature.
哦 SPL
OK
holding temperature
Again, same 300,
SPL
right?
这是 holding temperature，
Okay.
但是这个好
How long you want to hold it? For me, I want to hold
30
30 minutes.
嗯
Then let it 30
这个
minutes.
是 holding 的时间，
Okay.
然后第三个是
And then this is the end temperature.
然后 end 我要到
You want
室
to
温
end it at 25. Okay. So set it at 25. Or you don't need to change it.
它就
Okay.
是
And then
哦
after
日
that
阳
off.
嗯，
Okay.
都不用管
Okay.
它，
No,
就一直
no.
按
You don't need to change anything.
嗯
Okay.
OK
You don't need to change anything. Okay. After that, hold again the blue button.
哦再长按一次，
Yeah.
就可以
Okay.
变得哦 OK
It's already set down. Do the same thing with zone 2 and zone 3.
哦是跟
Same,
room one
like-
room
yeah.
2是一样的。
Hold for a long time. Press. Program 1. Okay. Then setting.
我可以用吗？
Yeah, yeah. You can try this